Whosoever looking for a business opportunity, look no further. We have everything that you need to be successful online. We have the products, we have the savings, we also have the earning potential. The earning income potential is on a whole nother level. It's mind blowing. So, yes. So, if you connect all three aspects and you put them together and combine them, you have amazing, amazing, amazing opportunity, a working from home opportunity. It's not a job, it's a business opportunity. That's why it's so profitable. If you want to earn money and make a lot of money, and if you want to build generational wealth, you have to work for yourself. There's no company out here that's going to make you rich. There's no one who ever worked a regular job ever gotten rich from a regular job. So I don't know, but also too, that's not everyone's fantasy. That's not everyone's goal. That's not everyone's desire. Everyone does not desire to be rich. So I get that. I understand that. But for those who do desire to make a lot of money, the potential of the income is definitely there because our compensation plan is like no other. So if you're interested in the business opportunity, click the link up below of this video and check it out. And if you're interested, get started today. If not, wait a minute. If it might take you some time to think about it, think about it. If you don't join, you're doing yourself a disservice. If you want to save money, you want to leave a legacy, if you want to build generational wealth, this is it. This is the opportunity to do that. All right. Bye for now.